wedding.
Maybe it's a wedding? No.
Yes, it is.
It's the Lantern Festival, and let me tell you, these fireworks have been going off all night long.
How are we supposed to see
Like
the
this.
fireworks?
Craziness. I don't see how they can have so many fireworks
Mommy.
here. Just a minute. It's crazy. It's going on all the time. And tonight's supposed to be even worse. It's the end of Chinese New Year today, and we will see what tonight holds. Car alarms go off all the time. This is right just a couple blocks from our hotel. It's just in the middle of the street. There's more lanterns up. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, down there in that courtyard is more lanterns. Now they're going off again. It's 8:30 in the morning. It's been doing this all night.
That's a busy street down there too.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a main street, and they're just putting off the fireworks just in the middle of the street, basically. It just blows your mind. I mean, I just can't. No firework permits here. The boys are so itching to go get some and put some off. You can just buy them along the street.
Mama!
What, honey? Yeah, aren't you having fun with that silly putty?